Okay, good morning everyone. So it's me Durga Guy, as you know. So today I'm going to show you how to post homework through our PSA app. So yeah, I think and hope you have already downloaded this Veda Guru Teachers app. So once you download and get username and password, simply you can click that will open, and it will take little time to check for updates and mainly for homework. So what we are doing is mainly that is assignment, so that's why more than saying homework, let's say assignment. So we go for here, click on this icon, and you have to select the class for which class you want to give. You select the class 8 for example. So all these classes may not be available in your mobile, so in your device, so because of some access part. So and section what you want to give, all is fine. Then which subject do you teach, like me computer science, that you can give, click over here. And how many due date, how many days you want to keep, so that you can do here. Okay, just like 2 3 days, how many days you want to keep, so you can do here, click. And what title you want to give, just like complete all, whatever you want to write right over here. And if you want to write any description here, you can write the description. And if you want to put any link of any website, any, if you have like that, or YouTube, something like that, from there also you can share the link over here, you can paste or upload a file. So if you want to upload file, mainly homework if you give through pictures, so since we're teaching it through slides, so that's why if you make a homework slide, one homework slide, and if you make a picture of it, and if you save in your device, and if you click here in this add file, so then these options will come. If you want to capture now, so like anything, if you want to capture, if you have written on the paper, then you can capture over here, like this, that camera will open. So then after you can go for the capturing whatever like this. Okay, homework, capture it and post it. Otherwise, if you are going, if you have already made a photo, so through slide, no need to worry. So simply go here and click on the image. And once you click on the image, then many things will come. You can select, for example, image part, these are the homeworks for example. Let's click over here, you can see the one circle over there, let's click in that circle. Yeah, this is one. And if you want to select next also, you can click two. If you want to undo it, if you want to go back, then again if you click here, so that will be, that will not be selected. Okay, so yeah, click here in this one. So then after it is, if it is fine, click over here. And this is how, so you can do. And allow late submission is there, if you click in submit, that will be done. But I'm not going to submit it, so because if I have already submitted these things, so you can do like this. So and once you submit your homework, you can see here in assignment list, so whatever assignments that you have given, you can check over here, you can observe. So it's, mine is from LKG to 10, that's why it is taking a little bit time to get data, because it has to be updated time and again. So that is why it is taking time to update. And there are three things. If you want to add assignment, means to give assignment. Assignment list means whatever assignments you have given, that list of assignments. And submitted assignments means whatever assignments submitted by the students. So it is bit taking time because of that little net problem also, and lots of data are there, they have to be updated time and again every time. So that's why it is taking a bit time. Okay, I'll go back. So list of assignment and homework as and submitted assignment also, it will come. So you can filter the things, all classes or particular class also, by that also, like these homeworks. Then okay, then after you can, if you want to check anything, just like anything just like this one, so approved computer science homework will come like this. So I have already checked, you can go in the check. And attach file, students will attach file, they'll click photo and they'll send in this attach file. And you can click over here, you can click, and if you want to tick like this, then you can go to this over here, yes, and this pencil button over here, and it is loading and it is getting ready. It is just like that how you do in the Facebook, it is same process, is very same like that also. We can check, I'm not going to check, it is taking little time, my video will be long. So then after you can give some remarks, you can give remarks. And what you want to do, you want to say redo, means do again, approved means yeah, it's all fine. Then you can click on the submit, that will be submitted. This I have already checked, that's why I'm not going to submit it. So this is how you can check. So again I wanna show this assignment list, but it is not being able, maybe coming, yeah, it is assignments, whatever assignments we have given. So it is from nursery to 10, that's why it is long. So in your list, so it might be little less. So this is how we can give assignments, we can see the list of assignments, and we can so check the assignments. So I hope you got it. So mainly where if we work for this assignment, that will be good and easy. Thank you very much, see you again.